Mastering idioms. Hold the fort down, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular idiom. Hold the fort down. Whether you're a language learner or just someone curious about English expressions, you're in the right place. So, let's get started and explore this phrase's origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, hold the fort down, is a variation of the more commonly used idiom, hold the fort. At its core, this expression means to maintain or manage something in someone's absence, ensuring that everything operates smoothly until they return. It originated from a military context where it literally meant to defend a fortification against attackers until reinforcements arrived. Over time, its usage expanded beyond the battlefield, entering everyday language to signify taking responsibility or keeping things under control in various situations. The idiom, hold the fort, has its roots in military terminology, where the literal action of defending a fort was crucial for survival and strategic advantage. It's believed to have been popularized in the United States during the Civil War, embodying the idea of steadfastness and resilience in the face of adversity. As the phrase evolved, it retained its connotation of steadfastness but became applicable to non-military contexts, symbolizing reliability and the ability to manage or lead effectively in any challenging situation. Using hold the fort down in conversation is quite straightforward. It's often used in professional settings, like in an office environment, but can also be applicable in personal scenarios. Here are a few examples to help you grasp its usage. In a professional context, I have to leave town for a conference next week. Can you hold the fort down while I'm gone? In a personal context, I need to step out for a few hours. Can you hold the fort down and watch the kids? In a casual setting, I'm going to grab us some snacks. Can you hold the fort down and save our seats? While hold the fort down is a popular saying, there are several other expressions with similar meanings that you might encounter. Phrases like, keep the ship afloat, steer the ship, and man the desk also convey the idea of managing or maintaining control in someone's absence. Understanding these variations can enrich your conversational skills and help you appreciate the diversity of the English language. And that wraps up our exploration of hold the fort down. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom, helping you understand its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, idioms are a fantastic way to add color and personality to your language, so don't shy away from using them. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next language adventure. Keep learning, and keep expressing yourselves creatively.